Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial of WP Grid. The tutorial is sponsored by Variation Searches for WooCommerce plugin by Imran Ahmed. At the time of my recording, it had more than 200,000 active installations and plenty of 5 stars ratings. The plugin converts WooCommerce Variation Select drop-down into color, image, button, and radio swatches on the product page and shop page. To download more WooCommerce plugins, please visit storepress.com. Today I will show you how to create a slider using Flatsome UX Builder. So without any further delay, let's get into the main video. So this is the page where I want to add the slider. To add a slider to this page, click on Edit with UX Builder. So first of all, what we need to do is to add a new element. So select slider and apply it. Now adjust the slider position according to your choice. Now let's add slides to this slider. You can either add elements from here or from the top. You can either add content or layouts. For content, you can add content one by one. Like in one slide, you can add a banner, and in another slide, you can add an image, or you can also add a logo. In the banner, you can add both images and text, but in the image, you can only add images. If you want, you can choose layouts instead of the contents. I'll show you these layouts later. First, I'll start with the banner. You can see there are lots of options which you can choose from. So let's add this one. Now you will see so many options for the customization of your banner. First, you can adjust the height of the banner. If you want, you can also change the background color of the banner. You can also add a background image to your banner. Then you can choose where and how the image is placed. You can see how I am doing the adjustment. And then you can choose an overlay. You can choose how the color on top of the image look to make the text more clear. You can change this hover style. There are lots of options for you. You can add customized borders to your own. You can set the width, then margin, and then the style of the border as dashed or dotted. And if you want to go back to the default settings, then you need to click on this cross sign. You can also add links and videos to the banner. Video will run in the background. You can change or add the visibility of this banner. Such as you can hide this banner, or you can make this banner visible only for a selected user, like for a desktop user, or mobile user, or tablet user. As I am currently using desktop, so if I choose only for mobile or tablet, then I am not being able to see the banner. And if I choose desktop, then again it's visible for me. You can do the same to hide for desktop or mobile users. Now I will apply the changes and I will add another content to this slider. Now let's add an image. First, I will select an image to add. Here you can see lots of same types of options like banners. Also, it has some different options, and if you want, you can explore all these options. If you make any changes, and if you want to keep those changes, then click on this apply button. Otherwise, discard them by clicking here. Here you can see you can drag and drop the contents or layouts, and you can organize them as per your wish. Now if you go to the slider, then you'll again find all the general options and you can customize them as well. Now I'll show you the layouts. You can add a section or row or grid. If you go for a section, then you'll get lots of presets for sections. Let me choose one and show you how it looks like. In sections, you can add both images and texts like banners. You can customize this image and text to your own. And here, you'll also get some general options for the customization. Now let's try the row. You can choose how many numbers of columns you want to show in the row. Also, you can choose the options of adding both images and some other elements together. In Add Elements field, you can add every available options from here. Now let's go for the grid. It's basically an extended version of a row. You will get some presets here and can choose any of them. Let me choose this one, and you can now add available elements in each grid. You can add banners or images or slides. And then you can also customize their color, adjust the size, and lots of things which are available here. Now if you want to delete any content, then click on here. And from here, you can easily delete that. So finally, let's see how the slider looks. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of the latest videos. If you have any query, please write them down in the comment section. Thank you.